Dad, what is? I'm gonna go get a thing.
What is?
Oh, there's a bird. Oh, dang it.
It's just like flying. Did you hear the pharmacy scream?
Yeah, there's a bird.
Oh, it just hit the thing. Poor guy.
Oh, now it's on the thing. A bird is in high V. What the crap is wrong with that? Oh, they just said it flew right in there and it hit the wall and it flew back out. I'm gonna get Emma and
You want to get him?
yeah, I'm just gonna.
Please, ladies, attention 54, please.
Where'd that go? Oh, Chloe, it's on the thing now.
Where?
See it?
No.
See that horror thing? See
yeah.
it? I wish I could zoom in on videos, but you can't. You can zoom in on pictures. There it goes, flying across the ceiling. That's just crazy.
Because I can't.
Okay, where'd that little birdie go? So we just were playing, and then I heard someone yell, and it was I heard people yell. I don't know, it flew somewhere over there.
That was the, if I was there.
I know. They were like,
I would scream too, I'd get on the ground. Like, no, can't take it.
no, when I went over there, I think he's like sick because he's like, his mouth is way open.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Hi.